Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If this is not your first time here, welcome back. Today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to get your first domain and your first website up and running in less than 10 minutes. The first step that I want you guys to follow is click on the link below. That link that I put on there is going to give you a huge discount on your domain purchase with a hosting and a website builder. So click on the link, and once you're done with that, it's gonna take you to this next part of the HostGator website where you're gonna be able to start pretty much buying your domain. So you're gonna click on get started now. You see everything starts at $3 a month. Now, I'm gonna log in here because I have an account already, so I'm gonna put pause right now. I'm gonna log in and then I'll be right back to you guys. All right, so I logged in and I'm gonna enter the domain that I want, which is milliroad.com, which is the domain that I mentioned yesterday that I was gonna buy. So I'm gonna buy the domain milliroad.com, and I'm gonna use the package type hatchling. But before I get to that part, you're gonna see here that all the search results loaded, and milliroad is obviously the first one because it's available, and it's gonna be $5 a year just to have this domain. So it's very inexpensive. So once you get that part and you continue to the next part, it's where you're gonna be able to see the actual plan for hosting. So I'm gonna choose the hatchling plan because it's the least inexpensive, and that's what I want to show you guys. I'm gonna choose the billing cycle of 12 months. So the reason I'm choosing 12 months, you could choose every month to be billed, but or every 2 years, but I'm choosing every 12 months because it's the plan or the billing cycle that I'm getting the most discount on. So I suggest you guys do the same. If you want to choose something different, then you could, but this is the one that I recommend. So once you choose that, you enter the username that you want to use for your website, and it'll take you next to the billing information. Fill that out. I'm gonna fill mine out here. I'm gonna skip over it, and to the next part, you're gonna see the additional services. You could choose, to protect your website as well from hackers, a site lock monitoring. I'm not gonna choose any of that because I want a basic website. It's a blog, so I don't really care. And you could have your website be backed up. I'm not gonna choose that either because it's a blog, not a big deal. So then, once you get toward the end, you're gonna see the total. So with this package, we have 24/7 support. Email, phone, live chat, everything free is included in this package. The instant account activation, as you noticed, you'll notice now that once you accept it, your account will be activated. It'll be instantly. You also have the money back guarantee for 45 days. And then this is where the next part that I want to talk about is the discounts. So with the domain registration, it was supposed to be $18, but we're getting it for $5 a year. With the hosting, I'm put it for 12 months and it's supposed to be $107, but with the discount it goes down to $31. And then I chose the hosting add-ons, which was the SSL secure site, and that added another $15, which that's fine with me. But here you can see that the subtotal was gonna be $140, and with the discount it ended up being $50. I think that's a great price to have hosting, to have your domain being hosted, and then having the ability to create your own website in a matter of minutes. So once you're done with that, you click accept, and you're pretty much done. So you could I'm gonna log off and then I'm gonna log back in to HostGator, and I'm gonna go to the control panel part of the website where you actually get to control the domain that you just bought and make your website with whatever templates you want. All right, so I logged back in and I'm here, and you can see that I can see both of my websites. I'm only going to show you one, so you can see both of my websites, milliroad.com, and what I want to do and what I want you guys to do is click on launch cPanel. This takes you to a control panel of the new domain that you just purchased, and here's where you're going to be able to click on the website builder button so you could be able to build your website. So once you click on that, it's gonna take you to the next page where you're gonna select basic website builder. You can select something else like professional website builder, business website builder, but it's gonna be a little bit more expensive a month. So since this basic website builder was included in the plan that we just purchased, we're gonna select that and we're gonna continue with it. So, okay, I'm gonna click build now. Oh, actually before that, I'm gonna go to milliroad.com so I can show you guys that the website's not up and running right now. But you see that it does belong to HostGator. So that means that the website was registered under HostGator. So that's good. It's good to go. All right, so we're gonna go back and I'm gonna click on build now. All right, so then we're gonna click continue purchase, since that's a website that I want to continue the purchase on, but the purchase is it's not really a purchase, it's free because it's included, as you're gonna see right now. And there you go. So the order success is free, and I'm gonna click on start using. So once this loads, it's gonna take you to see all the different templates that are available for you to choose and pretty much configure and customize however you like. I'm gonna look for first blog because that's what my website is gonna be about, or that's what my website is gonna have. It's gonna be just my post, my blog post, and you know, there's 1,000 of them to choose from. So you could also do an online store, but it's gonna be a little bit more expensive if you want to do an online store, because you have to buy an e-commerce part for HostGator, and you know, I could cover that another day when I do make my e-commerce store. So I'm clicking on preview for a few blog templates, and I don't really like any of them. So give me 1 second while I navigate through and I find the one that I want to choose. All right, so I found the template that I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna choose this one. I clicked select, and it's gonna take, oh, I did not mean to do that. So I'm gonna click select, and it's gonna take me to the actual preview of it. And here's what I'm gonna be able to customize however I like. And then once I'm done, I'm gonna click publish on the top right hand corner of the website, and then it should be available for everyone to see. So I'm not gonna do that just yet because I wanna customize it. I wanna have it to my liking before I post it to the internet. But that's pretty much it, how you configure, you purchase a domain, you get hosting, and you pretty much build your website all in a matter of 10 minutes. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, use the link down below, and show your support. Thank you so much. I'll catch you in the next one.